Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar. These are just a few greetings from India's many languages, reminding us of its incredible diversity. I, Vivan.
I, Dhriti. I, Vidhi.
I, Arun.
I, Jishti. I, Sehasman. I, Bhavisha.
Are all very delighted to welcome you to Terra Talks today, being done by decent group of schools.
Today we journey into the capital of India, Delhi, a city full of history, culture and modern life. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how this city has shaped India's identity and continues to inspire the world. So let's begin our conversation about Delhi, the timeless city.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Good morning, chaotic humans and semi-functional teenagers. Welcome back to a podcast where we overshare but make it educational. Today, we're talking about our trip to Delhi and Agra. And trust me, it was not just, oh look a monument, boring.
Yeah, it was more like chaos, fun, history, and a little bit of suffering in the heat.
But also a lot of learning, like actually understanding things instead of just reading from textbooks.
So let's start from the beginning. Delhi, the city that never really slows down.
Our first major visit was India Gate. It looks simple in pictures, but in real life it feels important, like you can actually feel the history there.
And the vibe around it, people, food stalls, families. It felt alive, not just like a historical place. Then we went to the Himalayan Tomb, which honestly looked like a pre-version of the Taj Mahal. The symmetry, the gardens, everything was so well planned. It made us realize how advanced architecture was even back then.
And let's not forget, walking in that heat felt like a survival challenge.
But worth it, because seeing it in the real life makes history feel real, not just something you memorize for exams.
Next was Qutub Minar, and wow, it's huge.
Like you see pictures and think, okay, cool. But standing there, completely different feeling.
Also, the carvings and the details on it were insane. Imagine building that without modern machines. Now, let's talk about Agra, the main character in Energy. The Taj Mahal, obviously.
And no, it's not overrated. It actually deserves the hype.
The white marbles, the symmetry, the reflection, it's truly perfect.
And when we learned the story behind it, it felt even more meaningful.
Yeah, it's not just a monument, it's a symbol of love and dedication.
Also, fun fact, the color of the Taj changes slightly during the day depending on the light. We also visited Agra Fort, which had a completely different vibe. It felt more like power and strength compared to the softness of the Taj Mahal.
And the view of the Taj Mahal from the fort, actually unreal.
That's where we understood how everything is connected historically.
This trip wasn't just about seeing places, it was about understanding stories.
And honestly, also about bonding, because traveling together teaches you a lot about people.
Like who complains the most and who actually wakes up on time. So, overall, the trip was a mix of fun, learning, and unforgettable moments. It helped us see history in a new way.
And also gave us a break from regular school life.
We laughed, learned, and explored all at the same time.
And that's what made it special.
So if you ever get a chance to travel like this, take it.
Because some things you just can't learn from books.
Thank you for listening. See you next time. Don't be boring. Bye.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.